Faith Tabernacle Apostolic Church. Praise God. Please listen while I read. Alicia Bennett, affectionately called Sister Munchie, embraced her faith at a young age, being baptized at Faith Tabernacle, John Vale, around the age of 14. A dedicated and engaged youth, she was regularly present at the church, diligently attending Bible classes and Sunday school. Alicia actively participated in various church activities, demonstrating a strong commitment to her faith. Alicia possessed a melodious voice, often sharing her gifts through song during the church services. Attending the national camp was a cherished tradition for her, an experience she deeply valued. She looked forward to learning more about God and build meaningful connection with others.